Maneva na sema PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV de osia dem yopo.
Gertrude Araba Torkornoo. Catchy.
Yeah.
Yes, is it for now went here or quantade. Na Ghana ha me say Gertrude Araba Torkornoo case we be case study. I expose a lot of performance on my lawyers. Matna platform we so I challenge a lot of lawyers. Or more so my professional lawyers. But always the outcome of a Gertrude Torkornoo case we know vindicate me. Some of them will even argue, say, oh, say you know if Supreme Court to cry now, say you know if as a CJ or better court na Supreme Court of Akwa. That debate, you know, was flawed. Now me catch the Araba Torkornoo say, a bay say na who den kakra or one. What they be apply for nkukon ketenkete. Metna haya kunya mu na me ka say.
I remember.
Or Fremia metimia leading na kwa Greek minister Honorable Kopoku. Ono kra the women empowerment esinani super obetima ma no nkokɔ to sori anopa obesima na nkɔ ntuma atwa ne mu no akɔma nkokɔ na aduane acha abosome miensa omatu nkusua eso be banfa so asene sɛ obe follow this case because baby obe kɔ bia no be lusu me kan sa asem wɔ ha ya kunya we ma nam tenae
okay
emre ma aboa yona so obe fa sɛ bi opanie to kromu sene sɛ Eye Araba Torkornoo betimi follow this case accord to be amoriase. Because the fact is clear.
Okay.
Na Ghana for bebre no. Omo ye emotional. Say issues ba. Omo de omatenka. Oh your ba. Oh we dey bin see that oh anya hwe wa ebone. Na mom say objectively obetena se ahwe asem no devoid of biases. Devoid of can say favoritism. No, I can say no credit near and no credit na de ma bebre pa. Nti Ghana fo bebre ohun se ni nua aye bone aflat or Ghana na kra na. Ya ka say report report.
Yeah.
Ghana article 146. Atre kwan aye faso eyi chief justice and as a justice of the superior court. Atre. Na sa wokofa ade edika eka eye misconduct. Misconduct ne che say one na subampadi. So one na subampadi a Ghana article 146 ne say itimi gina so eyi wede. Eye stated misbehavior. Stated misbehavior what the subamboni adi. Ampa ya hwemo mu sampa what the subamponi adi. The toso biom eye incompetence. Say wa bo mo den adwuma na de ama no kura no nim wadwuma wo se wo ye yetimi gina so adanse wa yetimi di yiwedi the toso miensa inability to perform the official duty due to physical or mental infirmity say bia ye di adwuma na ma wo na wo nyare but na ya de abebo ama bi o wedi dem untimi ndwina nsiso untimi nya wadwuma yetimi gina so yiwedi sa na ma miensa enyina so miensa yedi yi Araba Torkornoo as a chief justice no emienu titru pa do but titru no ye mienu abuse of discretionary powers too many of the man no odi buso
okay
the toso interference in judicial appointment sanyama we kese mienu na edigina so edi yi na die yan hwa de misbehavior. Say the Constitution Article 146 in the Kaya. Gertrude Araba Torkornoo as a Chief Justice. Who took one a year of personal travel. O me do man Ghana sika and a fande ye. O me do man Ghana sika na twa take it ma wukunu. O man Ghana sika na di twa take it ma oba. Ghana mrane say we Chief Justice na say who took one cry official air traveler. Woko with your bodyguard.
Okay.
O bodyguard no be kono man Ghana na be bon hoka.
Okay.
Gertrude Araba Torkornoo etu kwan no. Or replacing the bodyguard na we don wan kasa ne daughter. And the bodyguard in the otna plane mu bi anye. So tu kwan kwa brochire na se ma ne per diem ne bi anye. or my bodyguard in it nasi, and on this says cano, a child take it in man and baba. Take it in the crowd, say try no, was upgrading. A Korea see a Ghana sika over 100,000. You spend it Araba to Kunuba. Take it home.
I see.
Petition requires yet nothing establish it. Araba to Kununa Kazakwa appear a year committee or Matiye. So Oma responded to a year allegations level against her no. Or admit yes, ampa. And no credit or do my Ghana sika. Echa plane ticket mo no ankasa ne kunu and or do man Ghana sika say ticket mo no ankasa ne baba no deserve and tenya misbehavior what misbehavior judges those judges MPP judges and tickets bi aba no referred o moko o ma back pass no ma batum to who say Kufu ado be kona no ye fast extra recommendation letter na de call na ebrepam we can go and dig all those judges no recommend you. You didn't have that authority. And no grand nanchen some of the justices cars o ma yisu o man Ghana say your mouth car as a judge now you sue for some years sir. You born auction at the amount. So you born auction at the amount. Those justices cast no issue and get to Araba Torkornoo as a chief justice. I catch on some money free.
Really?
Yes. Money free. Ebi die Toyota Prado. Car nanka about ton more than 500 and something thousand free. Meanwhile, you don't have that power. But because we say MPP was going to be in power in government forever, because you have a election already, I do buy a quarter bulletproof car the amount. So, Bano, you banning the baby, you have an NDC 4 year, Kintain, NDC 4 year, Kintain, now, Utukamukra, Obutu to Bomwa, and boom, a back ticket, I remember Supreme Court. National Signal Bureau. Bulletproof car, no to the man or proud to 2024 election.
I see.
Because no more targeting Nanasa Bani Babyum, Yam and this bear basabasa. And tis out to come Ukrana so much 2 bomb cronan count. The baby has no mechanic say, you better go find him for one day Mitchell. No more by and yes, young Fango court. Near that then this 4, no more back court or mobile court, then I better with him. Now I say you unanimous FC. No as our partner now unanimous FC. Don't baby away. Don't baby away.
I see.
And intino those justices no. Cars also mutiaka no. Araba Torkornoo mo fan free.
Accra FM.
Na me makatre me say apart from say Araba Torkornoo yetunu no. Sas kan nya wo say charge no na otua. Including the ditwa take it man kunu.
Obasa yetuni wonya hwe odi kofi
yes wo de sebio kan say kokromotie kwa ye de sotroja okwan
eja okwan tiwa kwa yo oba pani
Ghana ha ya wo mra beba Ghana ha ya wo mamra nko ene ya wo mema mra nko
dabi
yo bibia be ma ya etia mra oba ya entia mra enti oba so yo oba na so ye be ma ne fa ho be we are all equal before the law. I don't know so the law
is the law.
The law
is the law.
Simplicity. It was say charge no. Araba Torkornoo case by what they call high court. High court a ruling against you through case out. Obi a was we judge. Before judge cry law. No be judge. No akwa do Supreme Court na de wakọ as a chief justice. What was some call high court was thrown out. From the high court, maybe a call or court of appeal.
Court of appeal.
More than several times. Your case was thrown out. Korea see what they call Supreme Court. I feel quite the Supreme Court justice is not more case in this, no. Justice Powerman. What's the war no we chief justice no be the petition crab against Justice Powerman. And Justice Powerman or no committee no on the net so on so commission no motia to nsa fro se beyin sana no koya was say identikra na ya search no ho say electronic gadget bi anhye no ho and in turn, discriminatory. Okay, Supreme Court, a case was thrown out. And at the ECOWAS. ECOWAS, I was more the coin and say, Yine you a DNA gu wufint in Ghana buying ECOWAS any $10 million. Torkornoo, what no dear cano. Araba Torkornoo chumutan what the eka, ye beji. Say, yes, some for Ghana's go to see this impo dollars. $10 million yen for mano because ye inedi. Ye gun wufin. Now there are some ECOWAS. And ECOWAS in Altemuaba. Na temo de ba no case no atwatwene wo se e baller zoom line for me fanko no mo fanko e de omope waste of Ghana's time na issue ni sha ase no na ebenum kure plead say oh won withdraw this cases no na President Mahama kra de o akoma pa obehunu mo bompo na wakaso yempa kwankwaja de bi emfa ma no
I remember
na Minister President Mahama will not there because the President Mahama there say Obama anything compensation to Araba Torkornoo. You be the same Ghana law any President Mahama because when deserve everything onu mom de eka get to the Araba Torkornoo the Ghana taxpayers money etwa take it amani kunu etwa take it amon no ankasa ne ba ama ajaje fuo bi ka o de amom fie o so nkomotwa ka wo say Jesus kan nyina na issue ni bae no Araba Torkornoo ko appear before the commission no tie no when nipa no any witness Sofa Yakufu ameka cho say sa ma me ne ya on principle personality personified when it comes to bibi on principle or you personified.
I see
Okoye kodi adanse ono as a former chief justice admit said the Araba Torkornoo ye no enye sa na chief justice eye otro ya tro bibia na cross examination everything is there oba bonten no and osa be grantee interview catch the Ghana Central for say Araba Torkornoo na charges na dey man nyina a trivial issues they say nye serious. I
have understood.
Yes, you catch some you see Sofa Yakufu as a chief justice the faceless and the unknown petition as a petition against petition for the removal of Charlotte Oseno. Akwa Akufo na Akufo so e conveyor betro de koma Sofa Yakufu. Sofa Yakufu e fa fon e fresh Charlotte Osei. Ano catch Charlotte Osei say you shouldn't worry. Na ish no amadi aba no nothing hwi nim.
I know Charlotte na catch though.
I'm telling you, I know my source. Also me ba pa o me challenge. Offer phone fresh Charlotte Osei personally. Catch as minu aba kuma tumuda na ish no amadi aba no hwi nim.
Sir.
Just to stop Charlotte Osei from seeking redress. So my Charlotte Osei that assurance. E di entrom ni Charlotte Osei o say Omaye committee, a procurement committee, sitting so more procure BB. Na Charlotte Osei recommended me wa sa committee in sent no me and that no me meeting no. Na Charlotte Osei na kasa kura to kwa oni Ghana.
Oni Ghana.
Besine ye hu petitioners kura mo petition against Charlotte Osei. But the same Gloria Kufu no assure Charlotte Osei said there's nothing no. Or no so I establish a prima facie in the indigenous and the Pamon Charlotte Osei. Charlotte Osei amfa Ghana sika ba ku sei amani kunu when you see electoral commission sika ntwate ki amani kunu when you see electoral commission sika amfa ntopetro mu ka mu se amfa ne banko school Charlotte Osei anka say electoral commissioners in nkofo bi won mu a cars official cars ne amfa mu free wanye Charlotte Osei anyam ne nsaso ama Ghana ya moka 1 cedi ye yi nedi say me catch row na no na ordinary resignation letter na ekono mesina mo Jubilee House bana minim se sada no me hu brand envelope no me hu bana minim se resignation letter kan me gi bie mu hwede ntia or resign sada no ba so bato Charlotte Osei e wo lobby ho.
Okay,
I was there.
I see.
Who Charlotte Osei no sini trase o ti lobby ho Charlotte Osei pia no hu no sini trase
I see.
Some men no recommended for Salato's removal as a chief justice. Equia principal witness Edema get to Torkornoo. Emma before the committee no admitted said they get to Torkornoo and was against the law. We no background interview outside the Catcher Ghana for say a trivial matters.
A double
face.
I see.
Did I catch us on your principle? This same woman, may see ECOWAS court or ECOWAS court, Emma ruling judgment say. You cannot criminalize speech. ECOWAS. This same Gloria Kufu, one night the Supreme Court as a presiding judge and was sentencing Mugabe, Alistair Nelson, Akogan. Say as someone Manua Samwaka, he or criminalizing almost speech. Jelly or 4 months. SR fine will be 30,000 Ghana cedis. The directors of the station were fined. This same person. Then I catch you say Araba Torkornoo case we are exposing some xenophobia. We have to be very careful about how they do their things. And then Araba Torkornoo naka maybe we go the Hague. Uncle the Hague. Mesi court to be obelusu. Now I see a set charge get to Araba Torkornoo. I was say set charge yes
to the state.
Even West always because Attorney General now all representing Ghana no. Say me the woko court. Say why me bonne.
Yeah.
Na say me I was say me defend me was say me cover lawyer.
Yeah.
Lawyer na was say me tuaneka.
Yeah.
And che di asem na say me me di asem ba court me di for a was say legal fee. It was say utia. Yeah. And she was say charge Araba Torkornoo kra man say tria Attorney General because taxpayers money and it tria aye neka. ECOWAS court aye kan na ye koba no. Omutwa take it no mo de kwa.
Niska atwa.
Ghana ska. Waste of money. Already no one may aboka wa fa sika. Wo de sika to take it ama okunu. Wo de sika to take it ama oba. Wo de car say de acheche judges how free so mo ye agenda. Edma wo. Untua ho ka. We are me aboka ama Attorney General ECOWAS court atrenchwe na wa case a wo de akọ high court abatu agu wo de akọ court of appeal abatu agu wo de akọ Supreme Court Ghana abatu agu wo de akọ ECOWAS abatu agu na ye man fa huni
anto we kwaso ina na omampanin dada na na dodan kwa Kufuado na ohu na wonim anase na edi
and Kufuado omuni the same petition kwa Kufuado botugui.
I see.
One refempo say enye nhwehwe mpo obotugu ye because Kufuado doba na fi say die ntina Kufuado dey get Araba Torkornoo kotena ho oko Supreme Court won mu a omo bibia no me ni so penyimu
yeah
I said we call a security agency penyin so
yeah
Araba Torkornoo say get here for the senior most anka wo kan Supreme Court justice na won a the first 8 kro won kan won.
I see.
One can but on the Kufuado yi no. Wouldn't ento yi no. One. O MPP ni. Nikunu MPP ni. Nikunu a case against Mahama.
I see.
Araba Torkornoo a case against NDC. Araba Torkornoo free say. Sa judge phobia Rollins time. And Crawford 2 almost sano. Na Nena na se no wofa na ka ho bi.
Ne wofa. So ntiro si be de ne koy.
Yes. Araba Torkornoo kunu. Anda eyakufo. Na oye narcotic control board.
Yeah.
Penyi. Mahama ba no be yi na di. So ati ase. And when this na do ba e no, e na ofri se atu ne nana so sa. E na ne kunu so ba bia ne kunu ye adwuma. E na yesa be yi na die. Ni kunu ni fi onum no and this fi abam no Kufuado bo say appointee ni kunu no Mahama ba no sa be yi na di into our personal beef with the NDC and John Dramani Mahama.
I see.
And Kufuado always be ano Kufuado be a political appointment or pen Crawford ben wa and Crawford say be o me better about you not the powers am say go and finish him e be no the man Martina Amedu. because no say Martina Medu epistle a watro nyina che say o beef with Mahama or evidence against Mahama corrupt. Mahama say and the power ne man Martina Medu say go and finish Mahama. Amidu say or the man Martina Medu say go and finish Mahama and the NDC. Na ka Martina Medu ye the appointment Akufo Addo mamumu. And then go asie the same thing. So he gave that position to get to Torkornoo. Say go and fight Mahama fire Ukunu. NDC are paying to go and fight them. Enti she Torkornoo poster. Whenever the political case because Supreme Court or teso eya hwe poster. Case be the ko na NDC involved biano Torkornoo make sure so tena bi. So ni okro ka chen so mo ntwen.
Oba
NDC at the Electoral Commission Echo Court. Say, limited registration also about Bayeno. Centers now there also no and feasible. And Tianko Constitution, my Constitution no EC Nankasa EI. EI. A church registration or registration center. Police station baby a to aba na registration to control din a wonim say to aba aha na aba beto aba. Omode asem ne court no na get to Torkornoo ni Ghana or issue directives at the judicial service say they shouldn't give date omode betena case no kosi so no beba na ebeka 2 weeks or 1 month am electoral commission share registration ase get to Torkornoo ba no or command date na date no after the registration.
Yes.
And the registration here June year NDC Akko Supreme Court is injunction. Was what national determine say NDC case no dey aba no whether it hold merit or not. Or fix date in September
after the
registration electoral commission and registration kura wie no and or fix date. Torkornoo ne timitina na naso ema MPP the then afenyo marking the so-called majority leader. To me called Supreme Court. Anopa do me no be no anya ruling. Case e bi nim do case called Supreme Court etimi da ho bosumi mienu bosumi miensa bosumi 9 bosumi nsia kwa na international no. Afenyo marking MPP equal Supreme Court that same day no anya results.
Akwa na pa be 9 o'clock.
Yes, anya
12.
Yes, anya results. Torkornoo. For no Akufo Addo ni MPP ne ko purposely for MPP's agenda.
I see.
And inti a petition ye file against the Nkrofo na fight demonstration ye MPP. Did you hear any voice? A objective voice. So when MPP no NDC ni tna say analyze get to the Torkornoo. A petition ye file against her. Probe wa outcomes by evidence or present your case based on all this Torkornoo is innocent. Who will be that?
No.
It's only the MPP who came to case in the 8. Now I don't know any lawyer. Former Attorney General. Godfrey Dami. MPP Attorney General. So I need get Torkornoo na ejuma. Also kuno the man no process him. And Godfrey Dami na defend Torkornoo. Cases no dey ko nyina ebotu gu ye no. Supreme Court last one dey ko ye ohun say nimguase be ba ye beto atwene no. E no tro dey come Supreme Court say or withdraw the service na Supreme Court say ye oboa. Untimi ni abrewa metwempena nsuro ne sen. Sir. Said the omode ye can say untimi lawyer the same thing. And Torkornoo there is a known thing obi anim say oh no Akufo Addo de ne buy so be ND MPP's agenda. Now the way Akufo Addo abusing the system the same way Torkornoo abuse. Akufo Addo eba be the family and friend government was son na busuafo and the China mama sha get to Torkornoo the same thing. Otukwa ya ni kunu edi nisa nifa na ne badi nisa benkum. Position aye de ama eye ne bodyguard se onko no bo no bai se bibi to no a Ghana ne ebo no kanti no on my bodyguard ne tena ha no de ne ba sia na mu no de ne scan twete kitama ne ba no de agi pedi aba ma ne ba. Judicial service for so mo pe nkunya computers na ne ba company e no de ama no. I'm telling you that chronism no enye Akufo Addo nko o Torkornoo also did it.
Accra FM.
actually no office say or Ghana ni sin obia or deserve sin obia, so that position there in a bona fide position. Say Abe as a Chief Justice. You see how I is posing Crawford. I told you now a bit to say kind of saying Sofia Kufu, former Chief Justice. One was the name was Guase. Now my cousin me and Crawford say Ghana is a country because of say Ghana for be braino. I imagine say oh enema hu hia kra hu hia yen. I say yem fire ho so na fire ho. So you can take undue advantage on Ghanaians. But we are the wani begu asianse no akwada kamenem. Obi bia me say one fa kwampa so agi animunyam organ na ni begu asianse no akwana daga kamenem. Makasa asem we eda ho a prophecy na happen. Mama Sofia Kufu is one of them. You can never trust her. On your principle. We are no makoko ne kone okwatifi ko hunu nsuo no aba na fo bebusa se de na koso o ye nya atom. Dear Charlotte Osanye ugina so recommended for a removal no. Araba Torkornoo yes ade no a ono no betina bonten ko di adanse abedwako nanim se ayampa etiamra nanso begina bonten be ka kire Ghana nsentrofo ne Ghana fo se enya ade bi ehu hia enya ade bi ehu bia. Ni wa Charlotte Osanye sample ba o me yi ne di.
Okay.
Obi ti se Akufo-Addo. Me say Akufo-Addo ne nkwa na aka nyina ya nim go asero ne bokana daka mnem.
Oh, Adam, is that a case?
Sure. Mahama left power 2017. 2017 now nkwa na wiye na Ghanaians were calling for John Dramani Mahama. 8 years of MPP in power. Ghanaians were calling for John Dramani. Mahama NDC won 2020 elections. They know. And some of them have started confessing. Mahama in opposition was so much popular to the extent say Mahama ko program na Akufo-Addo ba program wa. Fans a Mahama benyantina Akufo-Addo say program wa or Mahama be konomo manonko. Baumia was avoiding Mahama. Okoto Mahama official program asekura na ontimi nchia ni nsem. Akufo-Addo. Mahama opposition edi na tem no 8 years. Mahama was relevant. And NDC Baba 1.5 years ni me reasonable Ghanaian I will say one message Akufo-Addo's government now or prefer Akufo-Addo's government to what is happening today. Me nipa bako teno when nimguasia FM nimguasia sa aneba ene ono an electoral commissioners omo ankase de omuni mu kokuku marwinti eso so omo dai omo ankasa shase resign the Chief Justice di so ene wuntumi a Akufo-Addo begina ka che say Samra boy forest no famra kwase na wura na ene so won na wiye wuntumi afuo 30 million Ghana cedis na oje ye no Akufo-Addo ko ho ekosa fom ho wodu ye kura wansi fom Akufo-Addo knew say wuntumi ask Ghanaians because okoye no hu aburo anesi ho nanso Akufo-Addo as a president because wuntumi and a darling boy now all resources wuntumi just to insult Mahama and his family he kept quiet making sure say wuntumi try na nya wuntumi na airplane bargaining enya ni gwase Mahama as a former president in opposition otisi bedwomo a na Ghana for ema esuru obi ekuta ne bo Mahama to Ghana enkrofo me de Mahama bo ema ne se jewo bo no ye pake sa bo no begu eye Accra FM ha enko ha
edoso
and I dare you say Akufo-Addo expose no ho attend the public gathering event said the Mahama na Ghana for be fa sa bo no mo mfa amre se Akufo-Addo jewo o mo be si na bo
hey and say ya kwatire
konfirm
ya kwatire
and na Akufo-Addo ti Ghana ha o ba be hunu a na ya polado mo chiri birthday ni asesare ndi na koguo na de camera sini so ube hunu na ya Godfrey Dame birthday ni asare na kwatena ube hunu a na ya Anglican asore si ya hye no sofo ni ya hye no kuntan sa ayefro ni na betena ka mu onko public gathering me think Ghana for saabo no mo de Mahama se Mahama je obo no ko mo de saabo no besim aye Akufo-Addo abo system
okay
time on the buy any the reason TS or mother solving. I don't see why I was a Ghana a higher home baby, especially when Adwoasafo is having on one personal issue with on one personal family. Because Adwoasafo was a member of parliament. She was a minister. And the government a descendant or innocent Ghanaians. I was so gone. Bonkro for Namutu. Yeah, the bicycle chain. A bonny purchase of you, named here in a Komayanka Kukuno. Adwoasafo was happy because a party at the end of the day and a win here. Adwoasafo no a minister.
Yeah.
Was a member of parliament. And a TC Techimai, a Kufuado, government sponsored. Senate you kum Ghana for, including Abayua, a 13-year-old girl. You kuno. Adwoasafo never condemned. The then interior minister Yamushi. And Tinesa Adwoasafo near air kwampa peja padia. Now we are to and Kobase Ghana NDC minister Yankwan Eddie free say Ghana Eddie father for all and then will be a Muhian Bianqua here. A brand NDC war power no MPP war power not Ghana for Unqua Hiomo. A Bia Honorable Mutaka Refi. He as a member of parliament as a wase 2020 election MPP for Chitio Muntaka so Uncle Penokuno.
Yeah.
Omu Chitio Muntaka so as a wase Uncle Penokuno. Sabrina interior minister no money. What did they do? Would they even made any arrest? And to say good policy crime and ministry in India, but time in here wrong. And to no be at so because of Adwoasafo and ministry in here, and I don't know the personal relationship between Honorable Muntaka and Sarah Adwoasafo. But I bet Mobi and Yenny MPP ni. Oh,
but she is a Ghanaian.
She's a Ghanaian. Or my Kuama Nigeria, no me a Burkina Bay. They are not Burkina Bay.
They are not Burkina Bay.
One more I call I can't say.
But you think still we cannot seek for justice.
Baoleshi Kobo Mutuno.
Baoleshi I was there.
And Crawford Kunabubu.
That faithful day I was there.
Eguano, Munya Dianinian. Save you, Omoya Malians.
Dabi.
Omoya Ghana for 2020 election, Oma Kuo Mono. Even 2024 registration, Oma Kuo Mono, Omoya Ghanaians.
They are Ghanaians.
Adwoasafo as a woman, as a mother. What did she do? FM. Or condemned our parliament?
No, I never heard her.
The party PP describe those killed in Techiman say omo a terrorist.
Yeah.
Do wise as a dofu. Or describe omo say omo ye say you criminals, including a 13-year-old girl. State sponsored the bone to no was so a criminal. Members sympathizing for MPP. Yes, it will treat you. No, you can was a can, no, treat you to ano. MPP for the 2 years, a except you by final form. Where see, Sank MPP no power. You can imagine how a yes, Adwoasafo, Ebe Masha Kufu, the MPP government against Onoankas and a brother. Now, Ghana for the assembly. Na obi a kiti na ye bua dada ye nwura mu e na unua na watwetio na odi abo no e na unua ubekom kranye sa na tie ensema mu ka nyina is made up e tro wana so eni pada sani ti Ghana ha a ye bebo nutuo etu aboba mako 48 ebe wura ni trimu a oda so tinkwamu hwan. We are see developed country, a advanced country, medical system near a sharp no. They can never save your life. Say bullet maku 48 a rainy patrim. Young Fano Concasani had also a Mahama hospital. Young Cosani had there, Mahama hospital. And the end is for we cannot cry more than bereaved. Say Omwabia Honorable Muntaka. Ekwe betimi afaso a ekwan a ema akufuado ene MPP for kwan mo use state sponsored ene akwaram friends Azugu owai where is Azugu double where is he Honorable Muntaka as interior minister where is Azugu no a police officer
yeah
where is double no a national security operative and now by Honorable Muntaka can you account to Ghanaians ubetimi update Ghanaians your findings about these two, because the committee Akufa Nankasati Justice Emil Short committee recommended for sanctions.
Yes, for sanctions.
Akufa de say on ye
menya big and kind.
And Tiwana Muntaka Obaye as minister 1.5 years ni ubetimi update Ghana for. The speed at which and who take a decision because of Sarajwa Safo. Sarajwa Safo and the Ghana taxpayers money charter flight in the man who cry one ma parliament able be represented. Unim senya Dwa Safo no. The rate at which who making sure say ube siki justice for Sarajwa Safo no. Can you do same for Ghanaians a ebo mutu otechimai? Can you do same for Ghanaians a brutalize or more a violation? So long as I'm concerned, ministry ni ma me atre double baby owo. Azugu omo me atre baby omo. San crofon ko di anim sem e wo ye violation no. Eye video ye omu pictures ye omu videos ebesi ne ye nkyere ye nse how many of them ni ate omo aye di omo ase. Yeah. Oyan pipi ni okotwitwe na pipi ni akwa okotwitwe na so bi ka efie ni fie. Nana obiri bo ahen ne kan 2016 wo say MPP ala duna. No mo ankasa so mo bebu butu atwitwa mo tu betwitwa mo se kan for obi ho ben o kan ebunum brum se abi be ara do na se be betwitwa ho tu be bo ho tu a be fa be ho ben enti so na nya busi ase na so mo de wium wa na mo fa me ho ben. But we need to, you see, maintain law and order. We can mamenka se minchiro hwe the best way to deal with the fool is not always allow him to have his way. Some people, the best way to tell them the truth or to communicate with them is a slap. Two bones to try when you're born, would you agree in answer the trim? And in China, for Bible say you Chasaba, and that's a pub of Framunda. Nankada in China Bible, Becassa, and Yankasa or Bati on Wako Chimu Yamu, I want the Bible say, I cry body for Batian, Gentia. We always say the Dogana sin will be MPP Tiswo IMF ye calculate tia Emewa Fosika you see tia and so see a kobo Afcon no mobenya ska the supporters akọ yes ye ko wake up o menya ska do makọ yes ye ni ska o ye ntimi tia na kofoka and so na host all African games for Ghana nearly over 50 million dollars ID card to Krofokom. And this year by I say I'm for supporters enko because he dey niska. Ye bebo bo scanner no go, ye bebo 12 for 12 the scanner gum MP ba no abedi. 2016 Mahama. Esla finance kadam. Oko Exim Bank no bie, Cocoa Stabilization Finance kadam. Ghana Investment Infrastructure Development Fund neskadam. Can say sinking fund neskadam can you $1 billions negum oh yes niska ye free power na people for bedi nyina ene asaba biam oh scan ho yan fa supporter bi anko ye de Ghana for ye niska ni aboa no ye niska obako na scan da ho
but NDC ewure fi say party no ye de nipa na ye party
nipa na me chimpanifo aduansi so ne say you can never cry more than the bereaved. Sebi one pipi ni ye boni ayeye ni bi nkyere se ni pa boni fu. Sebi nye ne ekoye omo boni de di nkan. Se oba ye me boni na me ye obi a nkyere se me mitiri mu oden. Me pese me ma oti se de o ye me no me so me tinka se nipa. Na ni sifo de bia na de sebi ye de ntuma ni birisi aboye mu na ye twa adwe na nkrofo oba no mbema sebi o mbema ye yakọ. Na ye bia ye de esu ebusiafo ye busu ani so esu no MPP ni na bu nuku no MPP na won sika ku no Silas MPP ne bo no tioku no. I don't know if you're quite ye. There be only a quote move a year. You see, this is how it's supposed to be. Politically, my can say Kabio. Obi obey your bonny because of politics be an deliberate and mistake. Because political power no, yet me the idea ye, yet me the say idea. A war choice.
Okay.
And the one choose to say what the political power best say one a deliberate. Sandy Pakron no bad deliberately. Penny back next time when you 2 minutes no ba on be ye bio what ya on aso baako wankasa
oh enye hwe
what ya wa so mo retu
chai manenka
one kasa next time oba wo de kuma obi twa wo nan afiri ho. This is MPP for you. And the rate at which a minister and yes are there, not to be frank. Say let's assume cross a private security organ and Nakra lines was here in and yet this time not because of a Joasafo. Because the any man look like a Joasafontin ye way. She doesn't deserve it.
Yes,
Joasafo doesn't deserve it. Yes. She doesn't deserve it. She doesn't deserve it. Me so nabu mutaka. So se me bua me kan kire me. Ono ankasa no ye twinito MP4 twinisu to aswase 2020 election. Ni bodyguard kan MP4 lenche no e wo eya asawase akuno. No nabu mutaka bodyguard. Komo lenche no akuno asawase. What did they do? Sorry, the interior minister, the national security. What did they do to protect Honorable Mutaka as a member of parliament? And as Joasafo is a former member of parliament, the life is no more important than any other ordinary Ghanaian. So let's not be here say, yeah, say or do any woman in tea, ye dimrika rate us with MPP on ye. And man, they don't deserve it. And a bushia Omu fancy any year say to 1 year.
Ebi ana wo ni trim dada say onyanko be enti we better
so no trim dada benya and am say wo trim dada kra no a sebi enye sabre enye obi abawu ase
me ya ne why adwene because oshalangat phobia de kutetu omo toto ye say sakrofo ye chi bi da so obi ambeka say
protecting the life for Ghana as interior minister should be ordinary Ghanaians, not the MPP. Because omo no blood MPP ni hu moja na ne se bi oni hu mo aba na nani age. They are happy to see blood.
Argentina okaza.
The records are there. And the MPP proud to 2016 election. No mo party akwa no mo ntwa mo se kan ho. There be no mo ntwa mo se kan. Silas enye registration center no mo woni yam se kan ko. 2020 election. Yansani tuam kum crofo tachima.
Ante o pese o kire me say NDC as a party no internal rankings we are enco so a.
Sira me wan akotwituo akotwe sika MPP NDC headquarters kire me. MPP headquarters proud to 2016 election na what is say Mayanka obeko compound ho na crofo mo jagu ho.
Eh.
Kwabra je Japan ko pakeneka obeba na dika twitwa ne windscreen MPP headquarters na what is say Mayanka. Oma esa abo sumuro moja mpa o mutrimu da
slaughterhouse
na esra de afo abo achichide won tobi Joasafo na nya na asem won na asem akọ the case na ko police station omuni wa asem case ni kra court ma court ni na asem eno aye system no eye ma yenye anything extraordinary in favor of Joasafo because the child deserve it. No ye Ghana ni no your bar no ye women or ye minister for gender and social protection and ye kumu mofra e wo Ghana MPP kumu mofra. Joasafo was a minister for gender and social protection children and social protection and ye buru nkrofo bo nkrofo kunu mutuo amen na nkrofo papa no ma tiase wu omuntimi kwa adwuma ma enhwe omabusua Joasafo no ye minister. What did she do? Na wanya ma me na menyama politically anya ne sa Bible na say yama unua ge unua mpo anya ma wo Bible kura mpo say do wonyonko sa wo ho. So first I won't know ho untimi no wonyonko no. So first you must love yourself before you can love your neighbor. Ghana so ye Christo man enkramofo ha yemfa Quran nebu man yemfa constitution yemfa Bible nebu man the constitution ni baby a ka so bi oboni afache no. The constitution doesn't preach forgiveness. So be our boniface no mpredua samiensa eno nkro na ba.
Admonish that we live in peace.
Live in peace in nkyere say obi your boni afache no. Live in peace in nkyere say go and offend no brother anticipating so the better. And nka court today say why den. And say go be an court. Adanti na ejeli nkrofo dom go afiase. Constitution enya no na ejeli nkrofo for life. See I hangi bi no bi no too. Enye constitution no a identity no me omo kana say forgiveness identity am forgive you omo ni enten nsawom emfa nye cattle ranch ni enye se bi onyantwe ne emo aho. It will make sense. The constitution doesn't preach anything forgiveness. It will be your body any be especially when it's political.
But it talks of equal rights.
equal rights ni nyina ne say yes akwanya na wo misimu wo sa akwanya no nti utia me nan so a emra ne say I should seek redress near than revenge
at the appropriate courtesies.
Yes. Enti Sarah Joseph issue ba ye wanya hunyansa ko police station aposifo ayo omunhwehwe mu omo de asem na court atena so court ama bail court agent case no to 30th September court ni din asem. Beyond that you shouldn't do anything to make it look like we want to cherish Sarah Joseph's life more than the people that they killed. During the 8 years rule no more than that. Me see whenever we talk about MPP and you see when NDC ever power na on person ye bibi ase ye dey please MPP and I mean tiasie protect the ordinary Ghanaian, not the MPP. MPP na 2016 were training terrorists, ECOWAS mercenaries from South Africa to come and train their terrorists. Operation assaulting the pillars of power. We saw MPP tags beating policemen in uniform, taking over their official vehicles, taking over their weapons, beating them left and right. Jubilee House, we saw it. Now we'll be no ultimate invited and imported terrorists, training mercenaries, training a terrorist group, assaulting the pillars of power. Now what's about what these pillars of power? No, be assaulting this could protect this any panel. Huh? Who do you protect this any panel?
There's a motto or say, hey, father of all.
Sir, NDC for sometimes say them money is to be usual. We are all Ghanaians. If you have any love and support Ghanaians, not the MPP.
So the Lahamon says sometimes some of the NDC ministers don't support their own. Rather, they prefer supporting their NPP counterparts. It's something. This one reached that it's coming from who? Robert Jr. Araba plans a fear good. But GFA must call Coach Otto Addo and sack him again. Ghana, our problem has got to do with Otto Addo and Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Okay, and then so Robert Jr. Nedia or de buy no $1 fiawu or say hi. Imawolobi, I see you. Okay, Ante Sammy. Yamfa beyes ma enuma dai yenim sume numensie enfambo bidi atofa
le tofa no ma men call narcotic control say omo authority
authority
na me mo eye lawyer Chumberima abaso lawyer Chumberima obi a since day one me hu no me I got to know him through the media wo ye nipa sebio wo de Ghana esi ho na do no akasa na sinimu ba esi wo so onyi ba ko be Ghana
odwene Ghana ho
pa ntenya me won wase de no kwoto ho no no
yeah
and now you be against this kind of indiscipline.
Yes, very
nipa that's living a life say be aboa as a mrani me any ho no no on support sade no now I know say by the time one Ghana fo be hu sa papa no ne njuma wo die ne boss no na kona ni mo pa
yeah
because na no a yokufo echi Shatawale Shatawale di say 24 hours or more ewo ho na mo hwe emabunu a etrupi ye to yoko na wo hwe omo life na mo say hey Ghana any future
Ghana the future there
donkeys kwa ewia kete ni aso wi Shiwi ewo yoko.
Too bad.
MPP first demonstration mo ye the same things, the same junkies. Na mo so mo go brass sport so mo ye demonstration.
Yeah, no be like bisa obi onukra na wo ni ma de kodi e kra demonstration.
Ti omo ko demonstration they didn't know. But sometimes we face masa me de me nyame adom. Ma ye adwuma, metimi hwe me ma school, me de me ko school papa. Metimi simi dan kama. Me the electric fence aguso. Mo CCTV cameras, mo bodyguard ho. Ti me de me my protected. Oh boy, we are building a society.
We are.
Say yeah, anticipate say criminals. Betimi attack ya, enka ye si dan ya, ka yemfa fence wo ntwa ho nhia. Enka door crank yemfa door and tuano, not to talk about CCTV camera. They can attack you anywhere. When you oba. And when we see the youth aside omo ahoden almost living meaningful life, it provided for themselves and even their immediate family. No spending all their lives and energy at you get to. None of we tramo
someone is saying, please don't insult SM fan base. SM for life.
I see. Go to the internet, search the video, the youth Omko Trupi Yoko. In a show my life, junkies.
Boss, do you know that insulting SM fan base can cause NDC 2028?
Hey, excuse my language. Say yeah, Kenyans are someone. I do not be saying no, don't bring it. Say Kenyans are someone. Don't bring this kind of mentality. This is the problems we have in this country.
Yeah.
Nipani a junkie. Also a SMF fan. Who cares whether a SMF fan and that's why one fan? Nipani life for say a threat to our security. Yes, this same person, our old friend, so yeah, then on one about Robel. Shatawale birthday. Ghana Fokogu Independence Square. And yes, as well as supporters in the fan, the lovers in the choir. The Kobe as a Robin Crawford, no more phones.
A Robin Crawford.
No, me, I shut fan. I didn't shut up for a Robin shut fan. Jay as a nipa. Jay as a nipa. Se omuto enuboni numwa. Se binima me credit na wo.
Yeah.
Obetime dinima me dem. Obetime twisika one papa kuno because of one seed or the koto wi. And who are you? I go obi baby wiawa. No kwa busa ne say rubber band na boru obi dem a anazo bi fie. A we busa say we stone ball fan anazo nipemu na emabunu eboma no den no motwe.
Okay.
Ubehu obi wato mu tentan wa tan wotina ni cry ente. This is the manners I was here support ye can wasem. Obetra na we fan away fan. Tena wa ya da obeba no aka che ze we busan so stone ball fan. Oye beam anaso SM fan. No aka che so wo ni nyina ma SM fan tin fa hu kodi.
Zame meda wase papa
Maneva na sema PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV de osia dem yopo